Hey, Charity and Camille, Nathan Miller. Peggy told me to reach out to you guys, and I'm excited to have you as a new customer. She said there's several things we need to go over, that a couple of tweaks you guys are wanting to make to the account, which I think is a great idea. And what I'd love to do is meet with you guys and make sure you know how to access everything, who to contact, and how often we should meet to go over this stuff. She said you guys want to meet in a morning, and I actually have tomorrow morning available, or next Tuesday morning. So if you guys would reach out to me by email or at the number below, I'd be happy to get it scheduled, and we will look at this stuff and get it where you want it. Looking forward to talking to you soon. Thank you.